In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to Outlook or Hotmail, whether you're accessing your personal email, checking work messages, or managing multiple accounts. This quick tutorial will walk you through the entire sign-in process step by step. This works for both Outlook.com and Hotmail accounts, and I'll also show you what to do if you have two-factor authentication enabled. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, or any browser you prefer. In the address bar at the top, type outlook.com and press enter. This will take you to the Outlook homepage. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on sign in to continue. You'll now be taken to the Microsoft sign in page. In the email field, type your full email address. This could be your name at hotmail.com, your name at outlook.com, or any Microsoft account email. Make sure you type it correctly, then click Next. On the next screen, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type your password carefully, making sure caps lock is off and you're using the correct characters. Once you've entered your password, click Sign In. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, you'll see an additional prompt. This is an extra security step to protect your account. You may receive a code via text message, email, or through the Microsoft Authenticator app. Enter the code when prompted, then click Verify or Continue. After completing this step, you'll be signed in and taken directly to your Outlook inbox. From here, you can read emails, compose new messages, organize folders, and manage your account settings. And that's it. You've successfully signed in to Outlook or Hotmail. If this video helped you access your email, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.